Ladies and gentlemen, driving the other day, pulled up to a light, looked across and down at another Mercedes, and noticed that the door locks were in the up position. They weren't locked. One of two things. She unlocked it to let someone in, highly unlikely. She forgot to lock it, very likely. But most likely of all, her car is not set up to automatically lock the doors when she drives. Dangerous situation. Let me show you how to quickly set your Mercedes up to automatically lock the doors in this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe with a new video every Monday. With the key in the ignition to position 2 or with the engine running, do not do this while you're driving. Pull over in a safe location and using your up arrow key on your steering wheel, cycle through until you see your miles. Once you've seen your miles, push that up page and it will take you down into your settings. Once you're in the settings, then you'll use the up arrow until you're at the vehicle settings. Once you're there, and most folks won't be in the vehicle section, you use the plus and minus to go up and down. So plus all the way up to vehicle, then you'll use the arrow key to go in, and you keep doing that until you see automatic door lock. Mine is set to off, so we'll take in the plus button, we'll push that up to the on. Once it's there and on, then we'll push the pages up to exit out. And what will happen is, once I start to drive, it'll automatically lock once you go past 5 miles an hour. Automatically locking your cars, all doors, keeping you that much safer from carjackings. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.